The mountains are calling, but this time it's a cry for help. The north of Pakistan, once celebrated for its breathtaking beauty and named by Forbes as one of the world's top hidden travel gems, now lies in devastation. Flash floods, cloudbursts and landslides have torn through Hunza, Swat and Kashmir. At least 337 lives have been lost. Dozens still missing. Entire villages have vanished. Homes, roads and livelihoods swept away. They're the same people who offered you tea, directions and smiles, and now they have nothing. Stand with Northern Pakistan. Donate now by visiting liarelieftrust.org/Pakistan Emergency Appeal.